Cumulative layout shift measures visual stability and occurs when elements move unexpectedly during page loading. A high CLS score negatively impacts user experience and SEO. Here's how to fix CLS issues on your Shopify store. Optimize images and dimensions. Set image dimensions. Explicitly define height and width attributes for all images to prevent resizing during load. Lazy loading. Use lazy loading for images below the fold to focus on visible content first. Preload critical resources. Fonts. Preload web fonts to prevent delays that cause text to shift. Use fallback fonts to avoid the flash of unstyled text. CSS and JavaScript. Prioritize critical CSS and defer non-essential JavaScript. Fix ads, videos, and embeds. Reserve specific dimensions for ads, videos, and third-party embeds to avoid content displacement. Minimize third-party apps. Audit apps and remove any that contribute excessive code or introduce unexpected layout shifts. Optimize theme. Choose a Shopify theme optimized for performance. Reduce unnecessary customizations that can impact CLS. Test regularly. Use tools like Google Lighthouse or Page Speed Insights to monitor CLS scores and refine your fixes.